body appreciates these things, okay? Your body appreciates salad. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Guys, look at this lovely mango. I washed it and I'm gonna be making a mango salad. I'm gonna be julienne in this mango. And the mango, guys, I choose this mango because it's not too soft. I like the color, right? It's a bit soft, it's not green. You could the choice is yours if you want to have it, if you would want to have it greener, but this mango is going to give off a bit of a sweetness. It's not too green, so I think this is a perfect mango to make the salad. I need to spin dry my parsley, basil, spinach. I'm going to be spin drying these things because I washed them. So the basil, the spinach, and the parsley. My assorted color bell pepper, washed, and I'm going to be working with onion. Here I have lemon, quarter teaspoon of grated ginger, and the vinegar is a teaspoon of vinegar, and I have sugar, a tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to be making the a bit of a dressing to toss up with the salad. I decided to work with the lemon pepper, guys, because I love it. This thing has a mixture of salt, pepper, and lemon, so this is perfect instead of putting pepper and salt. And my choice of oil is the grapeseed oil. Let me julienne this pepper here. Guys, when you're cutting your pepper, you make sure you double your knuckles so that your fingers don't go in the way. Like, just bend your finger like that. Don't have your fingers out, okay? So when you get to the last cut, you make sure you double your knuckles, okay? Don't get it in the way of the knife. So these long thin strips are called julienne, okay? And assorted color makes your salad looks appealing. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be cutting onion rings, thin slices, as thin as possible. I do not like my onion too thick in salads. I'm preparing your salad, guys. A sharp knife, even though we're afraid of sharp knives, right? Sharp knives does a better job. Some of the parsley, some of the spinach, some cut and some not cut. Not too small. Guys, I really love this cutting board that I'm working on because you know, as you cut from the board to your container. And I like the way they have them as color coordinated, so you'll know which one is for fruits or vegetable or red meat or fish or poultry. I think whoever came up with this idea, it was brilliant of them. It's the basil with the spinach that is not cut. Put that there for now and cover. Oh, now let's work with mango. We're getting to the meat of things here, and I'm sure a lot of you guys know how to cut mango, right? The mango has a seed in the middle, so you're gonna cut as close as possible to the seed. And guys, I love mangoes. I really love mangoes. I'm gonna be making some julienne cuts for the mango. So that is how you prepare your mango to have it julienne. Just be patient. It's getting there. Let me get a spoon. Oh, you know what, guys? I should have a container close by so it can catch the juice from the mango. So nothing goes to waste. You spoon it out. Yep, looks good. Salads don't have to be boring, guys. Whatever it takes for you to eat your salad, you prepare it that way. A lot of us think salad is just lettuce and tomato and and it's just boring. Or actually, maybe I'll do it this way. Guys, look at what is happening here. It's too thick. So I'm gonna make them thinner. So guys, you see this mango is good. You don't want a mango that is too soft, because you realize what it has to go through to julienne it. If it was too soft, then you would have a hard time cutting the julienne strips. For your salad, the mango needs to be ripe and firm. As well as some people have mangoes that are not so ripe, but I like the ripe ones, this color, because it's, it has a sweetish taste. It gives us a sweetish, lovely taste in your mouth when you're eating. So julienne, guys, we should be I should be trying to get the strips evenly proportioned, evenly cut. Looks good. It smells good. I'm smelling the onion. I'm telling you guys, look how colorful, look how beautiful that looks. Look, ginger is a 1/4 teaspoon grated. Vinegar there is a teaspoon of vinegar. The sugar is a tablespoon of sugar. Let me just squeeze my juice here, lime juice, over, because guys, I'm telling you, this salad is making me drool. I'm gonna use a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon pepper, because the lemon pepper, it's very strong. I find it is very strong. Okay, so let me just measure here. It's very salty, peppery, and lemony, so I don't need to be using a lot. Yeah, 1/4 teaspoon. It's best to use a small amount in whatever anything you're not sure about, and then you add. So then I'm gonna put my grapeseed oil. You can use the oil of your choice. You could use olive oil if you want to. Just stir it in there. So, and also, guys, if you want for your sauce, your salad dressing, you could you know, put some orange if you have orange juice or pineapple juice. Yeah, you could add some juice to your salad, and then you just toss. So guys, if you find that the salad dressing is not enough for the amount, you double up, right? Double up on the oil and whatever taste you want it to have. Whether if you want to have it salty or more spicy. Mango salad. Look at the colors. Look how lively. Delicious. So guys, let me taste the salad now. I can't wait to taste the salad, guys, with the chicken, the rotisserie chicken. Did you see that video? You gotta go over and see it, guys. The rotisserie chicken will be the video before this one. Just be patient. It's getting there. So guys, that salad dressing, I just didn't want my salad dressing to be too much oil. I didn't want to make it with too much oil. So, you know, this with the recipe, the salad dressing, you can double up on whatever you want to double up. If you want to put more oil, or you want to put more or sugar, or you know, whatever you want to add to it. But basically, that's the recipe that I gave you for the salad dressing. It's I just didn't want to make a dressing that's too oily. And as you can see here, I have a piece of my rotisserie chicken, and there's my salad, my mango salad. Looks good. So guys, please give the video a thumbs up, okay? Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, meaning that you like the video, you appreciate me making this video. And also feel free to comment down below. It's good. This is so good. The spinach with the basil. It's good. Go guys, my rotisserie chicken. If you didn't see that video, please go and have a look. I love mangoes, guys. I love mango. This mango makes me give the salad video a thumbs up. It truly is good. With the onion, the pepper, the spinach, it's great. Thanks for joining me in this video, Vlogmas 12. Just remember that your body appreciates salad. So don't forget your salad. Salad is good for you. Happy holidays from Faithland Foods Variety to you and your family. You have a great day.